Let's make my garden fringe quilt pattern using only a layer cake. Layer cakes are 10-inch squares, and for this pattern you will need 42 10-inch squares, yielding a 54-inch by 63-inch quilt. This pattern is super easy if you need a last-minute gift, and it's also perfect for charity quilts. For each 10-inch square, you will cut two 5-inch by 10-inch rectangles, and that's it. Super simple, then all you have to do is repeat this for every 10-inch square. Once everything is cut, you will mix up your prints. Then you will take two 5-inch by 10-inch rectangles in mixed prints and sew them together with a 1/4-inch seam allowance. You will take your block and trim it down to a 9.5-inch square. And that's it. I'm telling y'all, it is super quick to make. So go ahead and repeat this step until you have made enough blocks for your quilt. Once all of your blocks are made, you will lay them out in a 6 by 7 block layout. However, in columns 2 and 5, your blocks will have a vertical seam, and then the remaining blocks, your seams will be horizontal. Then, as always, sew your blocks together to form rows, and lastly, sew your rows together to complete your quilt top. And here is what my garden fringe quilt pattern looks like all finished. For the backing, I am using a print from within the collection. Then for the thread choice, I am going with glide threads in the color Latte. And here is what my quilt looks like all quilted. Once again, one layer cake will yield you a 54-inch by 63-inch quilt. But if you could please take a moment to hit that like and subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can be notified for your next amazing quilt project.